And the prophets are back, and the law it is back, and my crazy is black, and my God he is black, and the angels are black, and you gotta stay focused and do not depart, stay right on the track. Revelation chapter 7 verse 4. And I heard the number of them which were sealed, and there was sealed 144,000 of all the tribes of the children of Israel.
Hey, what's up? It's your brother Josiah back with another video. Finally paint back the car back to what it was. So I'm just gonna get the roof, and then I think next week I'll probably do the front, the hood, and the trunk. But I didn't make a video on it. But as you've seen the car from the previous videos, the paint, the plastic dip is off. I do not recommend using plastic dip at all, unless it's just literally for temporary uses. But if you want it permanent on your car, you gotta use the Rustoleum or whatever you can use. Well, not whatever you can use, but use Rustoleum, because you can also compound and touch up on the paint, wax it, and do what you want to do with it. Like it's just regular paint. Well, it is just regular paint. This is permanent. So if you're talking about keeping your car permanent black, your wheels permanent black, use Rustoleum. I know I'm not sponsored by Rustoleum, but this is what I prefer to use. This had helped me out. I didn't make a video on my charger about it, but I have this on my charger on the grill. I used to have plastic dip as I made a video, as y'all seen, but I switched to this because the plastic dip peels a lot. And honestly, you gotta put plastic dip on a certain way. Also, you gotta put this on a certain way too, just as in making sure it dries right. But just look out for the video. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your hood or whatever you're painting is actually clean. So I'm just going over with a pretty much a basic towel that I'm going to use to block it from getting paint everywhere. So make sure it's clean. If not, you'll see the paint really not on the Rustoleum. It's not going to chip, but with plastic it will peel up. But you'll see what I'm talking about. On the can it says sand it down. When I took the paint off, I kind of fucking sanded it. I had to scratch the hell out of my paint. So it's pretty much sanded down, so I'm just going to start just painting after I get done. Mask it down and then paint it. This, probably use the whole can because this can holds it's 2 cans in one, so this is what's good about it. It's only a $4 can, and then I'm gonna use the high gloss at the end. I'll probably use 4 coats, 4 to 5 coats. So within the 4 each coat, I'm gonna wait 15 minutes so it can completely get. That's what it says on the instructions, so it can dry. And do the next coat, 15 minutes, next coat. So we're about to get started painting on this thing. Time to start on the second coat. So that's the second coat, so we're gonna wait 15 more minutes. So I'm probably just gonna add 2 more coats. One more coat of this. And then I'm gonna do that 4th coat of this, and then I should be done. So it took about It's about an hour to complete it, and then you gotta wait an hour for it to dry for you to actually really drive it on the road, so it won't get any, you know what I mean? So any dirt, dust particles, or wood chips, or you know what I mean, rocks and stuff like that won't get stuck onto the paint and make it chip. So you must wait that hour. That's one thing I learned when it comes to painting. Wait the time that it tells you on the can. Wait the 15 minutes. Wait even more if you got to. But if it's real hot outside, you can honestly wait a little less, like maybe 10 minutes. Because if it's fucking hot, I'm in Texas, so if it's like 100 degrees outside and you're painting, that shit's gonna get dry in like 2 minutes. So yeah, just look out for the second part. Let's get started on that third coat, and then one more coat, and then we gonna end it. So everything is finished. Just gotta wait that hour. I'm gonna come back and pull the car back into the parking garage, and then it'll be pretty much good. Like I said, next video I'll make on this car. Damn, my video has stopped, but I'm not sure where it left off at. But like I said, the next video I'll make, it's gonna be painting. Damn, well, I can't see shit. It'll be pretty much painting this hood. Got the roof done, or if not, it'll be painting the back. So just be on the lookout for some more videos on this dart. Yeah, just be on the lookout for more videos on the dart. Obviously, the charger will be like the main thing I do upgrades on. I do got a video. I got these DRL lights from China. I'm gonna get y'all on that when I get to the car. Left turn, so it's gonna look real clean. Make the charger look even meaner than what it is. But it's a bit of Josiah's, and I'm out. Peace.